Hello everyone, today we are introducing the MKE TD4-1 low-speed tabletop centrifuge. This machine is widely used in clinical, biological, food and environmental protection and other fields. It is a routine instrument for centrifugation and sedimentation in laboratories. For centrifugation and sedimentation in the laboratory, large color display shows operating parameters, speed, centrifugation time, speed up, speed down. To adjust the parameters, press the shift key lightly. When the parameter is blinking, press the up, down arrow keys to accelerate, decelerate. Centrifugation time default, minutes decreases to 0. Press shift again to change to seconds. Press OK to save after adjustment. Orange key toggles the display of RPM, RCF. Red is stop, open key. Green is the start button. In standby mode, press and hold the arrow key for 3 seconds. Adjust when the number is flashing. There are 10 speeds. The smaller the number, the faster the speed. This machine is equipped with a number 2 angel rotor 18 asses 5 to 10 milliliters. Before centrifugation, sample tubes are placed symmetrically into the tube sleeve in equal quantities. When there are insufficient sample tubes for centrifugation, they should be symmetrically placed within the rotor. Level the water to ensure the centrifugation effect. Loosen the fixing screws with a screwdriver in a counterclockwise direction. Remove the rotor in a vertical direction. Align the slot at the bottom of the rotor with the direction of the rotor box. Put the rotor back in vertically. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws clockwise. Tighten the fixing screws in a clockwise direction.